Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and today we're doing a flip through of my brand new digital recipe book. So here, if we flip one, we arrive at the home page and you can see all of the different sections for your recipes. And at the bottom, you also have different other options: meal plan pages, grocery lists, a conversion chart, favorite stickers, and some note templates as well. We're going to go through all of this one by one. So in this recipe book, you have 10 different tabs to write your recipes: breakfast, lunch, main dishes, side dishes, snacks, soups, salads, sauces, desserts, and beverages. In each of these sections, you have 36 linked recipes for a total of 360 pages to write your recipes, so more than enough space. So let me show you what the recipe page looks like. This is it right here. You have some space to write all of your ingredient directions, add a photo, and different notes. The recipe pages are also color-coded with the section. So here in the snack section, they are pink. In the breakfast section, they are yellow, etc. In the breakfast section, I started writing down a recipe for easy, fluffy pancakes. So this is an example of what it could look like. But let's see some of the other pages that are available in this planner from the top navigation bar. So let's tap on Meal Plan. And this gives you a weekly table like this where you can plan for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. At the top, you also have some buttons, W1, W2, W3, etc. Those are the weeks. So you can tap on those to get more pages and you can plan for your entire month. Next, let's go to the next tab, Grocery List. Here you have a very comprehensive list where you can write by category the things to buy in produce, dairy, meat and fish, canned and boxed, bread and bakery, frozen food, and home and others. At the top, there's also another button, the gray one, that says Kitchen Inventory. If you tap there, you also have some space to write down what you already have in your refrigerator, pantry, and freezer. This is very useful when doing your grocery list. And so I've added a button so that you can switch between the two while you're doing your grocery list. Next, third one from the menu on the top, you have a conversion chart. Very useful to refer to while you're cooking. Next, you also have an empty sticker page where you can paste some of your favorite stickers that you use to decorate your recipes. And you also have some note pages. So you have 4 different types of paper: lined, empty, grid, and dotted grid. At any time, if you wish to insert a page of notes in between your recipes, afterwards, etc., you can tap the 3 little dots and then tap Copy Page. Then simply navigate to where you want to insert your page, tap the plus icon, and then Paste Page. And it will insert the note page right after your current position in the recipe book. Now let's go back to the home page. Everything that I just explained here, you also have links to access these, the meal plan, grocery list, etc., from the index page. And at the very bottom, you also have 2 buttons, one to visit the shop and one to join my mailing list to receive free stickers. And this is it. This is the digital recipe book. As you can see, it's very comprehensive, very cute, and very customizable. I really hope that you will enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for listening. This was Vanessa from the Digital Siren. I'll see you next time.